What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on the Push Ultra True Wireless Earbuds from Skullcandy. The current price on these is $99 on Amazon. So before you purchase these, I think it's important to know what Skullcandy is going for with these earbuds, because the fact of the matter is they're not going to be for everybody. So obviously with the around the ear hook design, these are geared toward the active users. More specifically, it seems like they're aiming these towards people that spend a lot of time outdoors. So people that do a lot of running, biking, hiking, or any activities along those lines. The reason I say that is because these feature a non-sealing style ear tip, which Skullcandy is referring to as their stay aware design. So this is supposed to help you enjoy your music while maintaining awareness of your surroundings. So if you're on a secluded trail going for a run or a walk, for safety reasons, it's helpful for you to be able to hear your surroundings instead of the earbuds completely drowning everything out. And since the ear tips are non-sealing, you are going to sacrifice somewhat on sound quality, which we'll get into later in the video. So let's go ahead and get the box open so you guys can see everything that comes inside. So once you lift up that flap there, you're going to see the earbuds along with the charging case resting inside like so. Now let's go ahead and remove the charging case so we can get a closer look. So as you can see, I went with this nice bright neon green / yellow. They also have black and they're coming out with a light blue as well. You got this zipper design which allows you to open and close the case. So let's go ahead and open it up so you can see the inside. So once you open up the case, you can see the slots where you put the earbuds to charge. Now let's go ahead and take the earbuds out so we can get a closer look at those. So as you can see, you've got the Skullcandy logo engraved on the side of the earbuds. And then the really cool thing about these are the moldable ear hooks, which you can literally transform to any shape to get the perfect fit for your ears. The charging case also features magnets to make sure that the earbuds fit inside nice and securely to get the proper charge. One thing that's really nice about the case is the smooth finish. It's extremely soft and feels great in the hands. Down at the bottom of the box, you're going to get your USB Type-C charging cable along with your user manual. You're also getting a quick start guide, which is going to show you how to get the earbuds paired up with your device as quickly as possible. So these earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0. When it came to watching videos on YouTube, Netflix, I didn't experience any latency or audio lag. So if you watch a lot of movies or videos, these should work just fine for you. You are able to listen to either earbud independently. So if you want to listen to one while the other charges, you can do that with no issues. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 6 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, and the charging case is going to give you an additional 34 hours for a total of 40 hours of listening time. These also have fast charging ability, so just 10 minutes of charging will give you 2 hours of listening time. With a lot of other earbuds that feature fast charging, usually 10 minutes will give you about an hour, so I thought it was pretty cool that you can get 2 hours of listening time with just 10 minutes on these. You're also getting an IP67 dust and water resistant rating, so sweat and water won't be an issue. If you need to clean them for any reason, you can rinse them underwater and they'll be just fine. However, I wouldn't recommend submerging them in water for any extended periods of time. So the fit with these earbuds is pretty solid. You do have to use the moldable hooks and adjust them to the shape of your ears, but once you do that, you shouldn't have any problems with them staying in place. Once you have them on, they are pretty comfortable as well, so ear fatigue is fairly minimal. These do feature physical buttons on the bottom of the earbuds as well as on the side, and I'm happy to say that they give you complete control of your listening experience. The button on the side controls your play and pause as well as your voice assistant. It also controls your 3 different built-in EQ settings, which we'll touch on later in the video. So one tap gives you your play and pause, and a triple tap activates your voice assistant. The plus and minus buttons on the bottom of the earbuds give you your volume and track controls. So a single tap will adjust your volume, and a long press allows you to track forward and backward. So as far as the sound quality, These feature 12.5mm drivers, which is a pretty good size. Like I mentioned earlier, you are sacrificing on sound quality somewhat due to the non-sealing ear tip design. The bass on these is not very strong, which is pretty much a given anytime you don't have the regular silicone ear tips to give you the proper seal. So unfortunately, if you're a bass lover, these probably won't be your go-to earbuds. As far as the mids and highs, they're pretty balanced in my opinion, so you're getting a solid level of clarity and detail. So the main thing you're really sacrificing is bass. You do have those 3 different built-in EQ modes that we mentioned earlier, which are music mode, movie mode, and podcast mode. In order to change the EQ, you press the button on the side of the earbuds 3 times, and on the 3rd press, you hold it. For the different EQ modes to work successfully, the earbuds do need to be playing music. If you don't have anything playing and you try to change the EQ, nothing will happen. In my opinion, the movie mode sounds the best for listening to music. These are also compatible with Skullcandy's app, which to be honest, you don't really need for these earbuds. It is helpful as far as introducing you to all the functions, but after that, there's really no use for the app. Everything that you need can be controlled with the earbuds themselves. The earbuds are also compatible with the Tile app, so if you ever misplace the earbuds, the Tile app can help you locate them. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test. I have used these to take a few phone calls so far, and I haven't had any issues, but I'll let you guys be the judge. Alright, so this is a quick microphone test of the Skullcandy Push Ultra True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you were to use these to take phone calls. The audio that you're hearing is coming directly from the earbuds and is unedited. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, so we got some background noise being played from a speaker. Hopefully you guys can hear it, but this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you were to take phone calls in a noisier environment. As always, you guys be the judge. Like I said, I took some phone calls earlier and had no issues, but you tell me how they sound. So overall at $99, I don't think these are that bad. Like I said earlier, I think it helps for you to understand what these earbuds are intended for. You're getting that moldable ear hook design, which is not something you see very often. You're getting a comfortable fit, you're getting wireless charging capability, and decent battery life. The sound quality isn't really going to blow you away, but I don't think it's that bad considering the non-sealing design. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these, be sure to check out my affiliate link in the description for the most up-to-date price. If you like my videos and want to help support the channel, it does help me out whenever you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something that you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.